Saturday nights and it's like 1 o'clock. All day long I've been working non-stop, but let's not talk like my job's all hard. I mean, I work for myself, it's all passion and heart. But days are passing and I'm starting to ask, man, some confusing kinds of questions. Like, what am I trying to prove? Why can't I slow down? Why am I always moving? Why did I leave all of you? And what am I gonna do if I lose it? The movement I'm using's elusive, because every time I find tried and true, I leave it for newness. So here I am, a young man, quickly getting older than what I'm thinking about. Cause I'm figuring out that I ain't got a clue what it's all about. So all I wanna do is spend my time with you, but I don't really know who you are. Life is like a game, yeah, the rules are never the same. You play, you play, you play.